Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. The role of Sadr Lajna during Jalsa changes. My title changes to Nazma Ala, and under me I have lots of departments that I have to supervise. I have to have meetings and to ensure that the Lajna side of Jalsa runs smoothly. At Jalsa, the Lajna have 72 departments, and there's 72 important departments to ensure that we provide comfort, security and safety for our guests, that they are the guests of the Prophet Messiah salam, and when they come we do our best to cater for their needs. As Hazur had mentioned in our Friday sermon just gone, that hospitality is the most important thing, and he gave us amazing examples of the Prophet Messiah salam, how he went out to keep sure all his guests were happy. And so the accommodation this year, we have made changes. We've ensured that at least 2 or 3 of the marquees have got heating for our guests, because last year it was extremely cold and we want to keep sure our guests have a comfortable night. This year we have a really exciting new exhibition for the ladies this year. An exhibition which is normally only available to the men during Jalsa time, and that is the exhibition of photos that show the history of Ahmadiyyat through photos. And they are special photos, they are unique photos there, and this year inshallah the Lajna, or the women, will have an opportunity to go and have a look and spend time looking at those amazing pictures, and they'll see history before their eyes as they go through that exhibition. And alhamdulillah, we're quite excited about that, and we hope it will become a regular feature for future Jalsas. We have to cater for all our guests, and a new area that we're catering for are our sisters who have got someone in their family who needs special care due to maybe being in a wheelchair or have some disability. So this year, alhamdulillah, we're introducing the respite marquee, and the news of the respite marquee has been received very well, and a lot of women are interested. In fact, it's enabled some ladies to come to Jalsa for the first time because they did not have the means to leave their children or their family members home. So we pray that it's beneficial. A very important area for Jalsa, of course, is cleanliness. As we know, cleanliness is part of faith, and we keep increasing the teams. There's cleanliness, the grounds have to be kept clean, the toilets have to be kept clean. Inside the marquee, we have cleanliness teams for every area to ensure that for the smooth running of Jalsa, and to make the environment a clean environment as well as a highly spiritual environment, which is important. This year, alhamdulillah, we have over 3,000 volunteers, including Lajna and Nasrat being girls under 15. 2013 is a very exciting year for UK because we're celebrating the centenary of Ahmadiyyat being established in this country. The UK and Lajna have been celebrating in various ways. Lajna has written a book on the Lajna history in the UK. And I found this very exciting because as this book was being written, the Lajna had exhibitions and gatherings to celebrate this 100 years. It actually inspired the younger generation to hear about their elders and the sacrifices they did to make the Jamaat what it is today. And I think that inspiration, I can see that this year. The girls want to do more, they want to do more sacrifice, and they're proud to be part of a community that has evolved so much in 100 years. The UK has been very kind to the Jamaat, very welcoming to the Jamaat. As the Prophet Messiah salam said so many years ago when he wrote to the Queen, thanking her for her kindness. And this year we have kept sure that the celebrations is about the UK and not only the Jamaat. We've invited our neighbours, our community around us to picnics and to exhibitions, and they've celebrated with us, and our bonds with our neighbours has strengthened, mashallah. And that was very well received by our community. Lajna UK would like to welcome all the female guests to Jalsa. I hope and pray that they have an amazing experience and that all the workers can follow the instructions of the Prophet Messiah salam and make their Jalsa experience a Jalsa that they'll remember.